Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome, and thank you all for clicking on today's video. So today I wanted to share with you guys something that I've been gifted, and I want to unbox it for you guys. It's by a company called Old Baby Boxes, and it's right here. And basically it's a monthly subscription, like pregnancy box, and they also have postpartum boxes as well. So I'm 36 weeks pregnant now, and I wish I would have found out about this earlier. Like, I would have definitely been getting these boxes for the whole 9 months. So, but I'm definitely going to get the postpartum boxes. But let's see what's in this box, because it's supposed to be like a bunch of fun, healthy, like pregnancy safe stuff that you can use each month to pamper yourself. And I think it's also catered to like the trimester that you're in. So let's open the box and see what's inside, because I haven't opened it. I have had it for like a week and I'm just getting to open it. So like right here it says "Oh Joy," and I like that it said on the back of the box, "Treat yourself, mama." Colin is over there eating, spitting. All right, so this is what it looked like inside. Oh, really pretty. And it say, "Congratulations, mama," and it say, "Let's get social." It has their website, which is www.oldbabyboxes.com, and it has like their Facebook and their Instagram, which I will link all down below. And it say, "Win a free box each month. Snap your best photo of your old baby box. Tag us on Instagram using the hashtag #oldbabyboxes, and we'll announce a lucky winner monthly on Instagram." So yes, let's see what's in it. It's still taped. This fell out, which is some frequently asked questions. I can't talk today. But yeah, this is what I said. This is for mamas in their third trimester. It says your guide to our baby boxes and for third trimester. Little note, and then it said what's inside of your boxes, and it explained each item. So usually these boxes run $40 a month, but the stuff that's in the inside is way over $100. So let's see. It says this box monthly value is $159. So $160, because it's a $159 plus. So yeah. And it comes with 8 items. So let's go and look and see what each of these items actually are. And it gives you a description. So let's go. All right, so first, this is how it looks. And I'm excited. This is a size large, which I'm definitely a large. And it's a shirt, and it says "Baby Mama." And it's a racer back tank top. It's long enough to go over the belly. And I'm excited to wear this. Like, oh, this is cute. This is really, really cute. Like, I'm super excited about this. I like it. I like it. And it's a really nice material. Like, and this is regularly $29 by itself. So yes, that's like almost the price of your box. Let's fold this up. All right, so here's the next thing on top. Let's open it. And this is I believe it looks like, let me see what does this say. This is a cute little tag. Dear Angel. So that is the company that is by, Dear Angel. And it's a receiving blanket, a muslin sleeping blanket, a muslin swaddle blanket, which I need more of these anyway. This is perfect. Like, I'm gonna wash this and take this with me to the hospital. This is really pretty. And they got like the little sloths on it. Like, I really like it. And it's like really soft too, so. And this was $15.99, so yeah. The box is like really worth all the stuff in here. So let's see what the next goodie is in here. Oh, okay. Disposable baby changing station cover. So is this one of those things you put down when you're changing the baby, or is it actual disposable? Let's see. Okay, so yeah, this is one of those, instead of you like, you know, sitting your baby down on one of those plastic things in a public restroom, this will cover the whole entire like little thing you pull down, and you can lay it on top of there. It's waterproof, and it's disposable. So it's just this one sheet. You just put it in your baby bag just in case of emergencies. Yeah, so I'm definitely gonna do this. I gotta fold it up a little bit better though. So this next little goodie is a avocado and algae, I think that's how you say it, face mask. It's skin superfood detox. So, and it's 100% plant-based, which is good. I think I'm gonna use this tonight. So you just like put some of this, it says it in the little pamphlet right here. You just put some of this in your hand, like 2 scoops, add a little bit of water, make a mask, put it on your face, leave it on for 5 minutes, and it's supposed to detox. And this little jar lasts about 1 to 2 months if used every day. So yeah, this is really good. It's green. I'm gonna try to get a close up for you guys so you can see it. And this is how you like, this little putty thing, this is how you put it on. All right, so the next goodie in the box is a centered de-stress therapy balm. So it's made with caramel, mandarin, and some other stuff. It promotes relaxation, unwind, and reset. And it also said to, let's open it, to ease everyday tensions and soothes the mind and lift the spirits. So you apply it to, this is how it looks. Let me see, yeah, see how to get. It's a little bottle, little thing. It looked like lip balm, but it's not. Reset your mood. So it say apply to your wrists, like your temples, and visualize the state of mind that you want to be in. You can automatically smell the chamomile. I hope I'm saying that right. But yeah, I'm definitely taking this with me to the hospital because I feel like they're gonna stress me out, and I'm just and visualize how I want delivery to go. Like, yes. This is, I like this. So let's see what else is in the box, because I feel like it's something else I haven't seen. Let's see. 2 more things in the box. All right, so this is by a company called AMNH Skincare. Starry Collagen Gel Eye Pads. So let me see. So this is how it looks, and it basically helps reduce anti-aging, anti-wrinkles, and reduce dark circles, which I do have dark circles. And then just say you just put the little pads at the under your eyes and leave them for 30 minutes. So I'm definitely going to try these and see how these turn out. It's 5 pairs in one box, and this by itself costs $32 for these iPads. So yeah, these, yep. What is this? True Earth Eco Strips. Okay, oh my goodness, I wanted these laundry detergent sheets. Like, I can't, one sheet is supposed to take care of 1 load of laundry. So let me open them and see what they look like. I always wanted these and never even cared to buy them, or I haven't even seen them in the store. But I'm so excited. This was definitely one thing I wanted. So I wondered, because they ultra concentrated. 1 strip is 1 load. So yeah. It don't smell like much, but 1 strip is 1 load, which is like So cool. It works in hot or cold water. All machines, including HE, which thank God I have HE machine. So, which is just a high efficiency machine. They want you to use high efficiency detergent. So that is perfect, and it dissolves completely. I just wonder, like, what about the smell? I'm not sure. There's a fly outside, but oh my God, I'm super excited about these. I always wanted them. And these cost $16.95. So yeah, that just saved me a lot. It's 32 loads in here. Like, it's a lot. Like, a lot. Oh, I'm super excited about these. All right, so I was looking in the pamphlet to make sure like I didn't miss anything or just see what else is in the pamphlet. And at the back of it, it's this master checklist for nesting moms. And it's so perfect, like in great detail of everything. Just like your nursery, washing your baby clothes and the sheets, organizing the baby clothes by age, which I'm in the process of doing all of that. So like that I have a checklist now that I can like scratch off. It's perfect. And then the bathrooms, like scrubbing your floors, your kitchen, freezer meal preps, your living room, vacuuming your couches and stuff like that. Like this checklist is like my type of checklist. Like seriously, throwing out old clutter out your garage, cleaning out your car, installing the car seat. Yes, this is my type of checklist. Yeah, then on the back is just some frequently asked questions. It's like, can I send a box as a gift? Yes, you can. When will I receive my box? You get your box 1 to 3 days after you purchase your box, and then they ship on the 15th of every month, depending on if you went past the cutoff date or not. And then can you auto renew? Yes, you can. And then if you want to skip a month, you can skip a box. You can cancel when you want. And just stuff of that nature. But yeah, guys, they also gave me a coupon code. If you all want to try out your own first box, it'll be 10% off your first monthly subscription. And that's using the code Sandra10. Again, Sandra10. I'll link the company down below as well as the coupon code so you don't forget it. And yeah, I know for me, I'll definitely be ordering a postpartum subscription box, because I just want to like see what do they have in it, because all of these are like pretty dope products. Like even these eye gel pads, I'm like excited to use, like especially since I have dark circles. And the dryer sheets, oh my goodness. If you guys have any questions about like any of these products, like once I like try them and use them, I will get back to you guys. Just leave your questions in the comment section down below. And as always, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.